Bonita's Kitchen. Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. What I'm going to be making for you today is traditional Newfoundland.
Okay.
Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen.
Okay.
Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What I'm going to be making for you today is blueberry and strawberry jam. And I'm going to just tell you a few of the ingredients we're going to be using in this dish. It's jam. Okay, I hope this episode of rhubarb relish is old Newfoundland dish that they would use for picking berries and rhubarb relish contains two main ingredients, which is rhubarb and onions. One would think that it should have been called rhubarb relish and onions, but right now I can't get it past it. Okay, it looks like I got enough plum boys picked, better known as blackberries in some places. We're going to take them back to my place now, and let's turn these beautiful berries into miniature So now this is our pan-fried cod fillets. They are adorable, they're googly. So this is our pan-fried cod fillets. I plated it beforehand because my cast iron frying pan is way too heavy for me. So this delicious goulash dish took about 15 to 20 minutes all in total to cook. Requested by a few of our viewers, again done my way in Bonita's Kitchen to show you the way that I just like looking at my... So our goulash is finished. It's done. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube. I hope you found this episode of Bonita's Kitchen helpful for you today for shrimp burgers. Please take the time to run around the kitchen. Okay, so we're going to put this to the side, our rhubarb and our strawberries. And what we're going to do next, we're going to put 1 cup of butter. And if you don't have butter, you could use margarine. And we're going to add a half a cup. Hi, welcome to Bonita's Kitchen and thank you for joining us. What we're going to be making for you today is sausage. Welcome back to Bonita's Kitchen. Our